In today's video, we're doing a silver and burgundy makeup look. I thought this was a unique color combination and wanted to give it a try. To start this look, I'm using the Blightmoon palette for this dark gray shade, and I'm putting this in the outer corners and the crease, creating a sort of rounded shape to the crease area. Then I'm using a lighter gray to blend out the darker gray going towards the eyebrows. I then use the Blightmoon palette again for the burgundy shade and put this very close to the outer corners where we put the gray and blending it onto the eyelid. Then with the black eyeshadow, I'm using this in the very outer corners. Then going underneath the eye with a burgundy shade. Then using a sparkly silver shade on the inner corners. Then using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this silver and burgundy makeup look. I really like how this turned out and I think these colors go well together. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching.